Feels really chunky. It's a nice grip to it actually. This is in comparison to my Samsung S7. So it's a bit taller, slightly narrower down this end. Width. Obviously this has got a case on which you kind of need anyway because it's so slippery and handle. So the screen of the Samsung S7 reaches the screen of here, so effectively you've got this much extra. The top lip bit here is the extra bit. But actually it feels quite nice. It's a bit heavier than this, but it's not a huge amount more heavier. But yeah, it's got, you know, it's a nice grip. You just put it in my pocket. I'm going to take it out. Yeah, it feels less, it feels more grippy, like that. But you got a nice surface on there. It's kind of got a kind of spotty bit there, and ridges and stuff. Cat logo there. It sounds a bit hollow here. Not sure whether this can come off, but it's very chunky indeed. USB flap here. Pops out, you got your micro USB headphone jack goes, it's at the top of the headphone jack. So there's a headphone jack there. Obviously with this one you haven't got any flaps, and it's still waterproof this. So there is an advantage with the S7. The other advantage of course is the S7 has got a OLED display. This has just got, I think it's IPS. So we got a button there. Not sure what that does. Might be SOS. SIM card in here. Again, we got the flaps here, so that's pretty cool. You just slide it in. You just slide your SIM card in there, and your micro SD card, is that? Yeah, it says SD there. You just slip it in there. This flap, let's just see. Yes, it's 360 flap. That's quite cool. So yeah, that's quite nice. Obviously, you're not really going to use this flap much. The the SD card's flap. So let's turn it on. Big, powerful sensation there. Powered by Android, so this is pure Android. This isn't made by Cat, I think it's made by a nondescript Chinese company. It's also got battery share. The Samsung S7 also has battery share. It's a USB thing. You plug this into the Samsung S7, then you can plug another device in and use it as like a USB hub. You can do the same thing with this, but this has 2000 amps more than this. So this will last, well this lasts pretty much a day anyway, so this will probably last a good sort of day and a half, 2 days before worrying about charging it up based on my personal usage. So yeah, nothing's happening. I think it's loading up, that's the load screen there. It's quite nice. You feel like you could just leave it there and, you know, it's raining or whatever, you could just toss. Welcome. I'll turn this off because you've already seen all this stuff anyway. Yeah. I'd say this is quite nice. You know, it's only sort of a quarter more thicker than this S7 with a cover on. It's got a bigger battery. I mean, it's slightly taller. I mean, it's roughly the same width really. It's slightly wider. But this has the OLED display, which is nicer. This hasn't. But yeah, there we go.